Guys, welcome to a new vlog period. If you're new here, I hope you like what you see. Subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, baby. That's on period. Anyways guys, as you can see, I'm not at my place. I'm at my sister's place simply because I am writing today. I have a test around 10. Right now the time is 7:55 and I still need to be online for work, right? So ngisebenzela from home. So at work we have the option of working from home. So I asked my work supervisor to work from home, and I took leave for the next 2 days because I have an assignment that's due on Monday and I want to focus on that. So yeah, this is me. In this vlog, it's basically school, and we'll see what else we can incorporate. I don't know. So yeah guys, let me get working. I need to make coffee. I need to make my coffee. If I don't have coffee in the morning for work, I can't function. I don't even know where to start with work. So right now that's what we're gonna do, and I really hope the network here is good because I need it to be stable. Ngoba I need to be working, and I also need to write that test, and they said we must make sure that we have the connection in stable. So right now I'm as no stable, no minds and means any dial, to be honest. But let me connect my laptop and see we'll see need. But also I'll wait for my sister to get here so that I can connect using her phone. She said she's gonna be here soon. She's not here right now, but it's all Zufik. Ushaya 8, so by 8:30 I guess, or 9 obviously. So yeah, that's that about that. We'll sorry, Angela, but I was still working on that one before the call starts, but I'll get back to you after the call. Hi guys, I hope that you guys are doing good, okay? Anyways, I can't remember the last time we spoke, or I spoke to you guys, but it was probably last week, Wednesday, when I was at my sister's doing an assignment, or writing a test, actually. Yeah, I was writing a test and I also had assignments. Anyways, it's a week later, and to be honest, Izolo, I was at my sister's as well, writing another test. So school wise, it's chai for me. Like guys, iskole and a full-time job, a full-time degree as well, especially a postgraduate degree, highly do not recommend. Okay, highly do not recommend. Anyways, I'm not here for that. I'm just here to complain about Timoto's Asahamas Day, because what the fuck. Okay, so today it is Wednesday, right? So ngiphume emsebenzini and there were no taxes. I don't know. I'm a tax away ngekho. There were no taxes ezalana straight la engihlala khona, right? So I had to take a taxi that's going to the mall, and then from the mall I would get a taxi that's coming here, right? So yeah, I did that. So while I was at it, I just decided that, you know what, because I was running out of my essential like products, let me just go and get them, right? So I'm gonna show you guys what I got at the mall. So I went to Clicks, because what's Yenzi's vlog without a Clicks haul at this point? Because I feel like Clicks. Anyways, it's month end, my products are getting finished, or are finished actually. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly what I got. So firstly, I got this Clicks skincare collection, Rooibos Plus antioxidants purifying facial toner. This one, I'm not sure if you can see it because of the light, but it's this one. And then they had a 3 for 2 special, so I got another toner, right? And then I got this facial cleanser, the Rooibos Plus one as well. So I got these 3 products. Usually when I go to Clicks, I buy, or the last time I went, I bought these ones because I'm not sure if you can see them, guys. Oh yes, I bought these ones because I'm a vitamin C girly. Okay, I believe in vitamin C and in it working for my skin. So these are the products that I usually buy, but then this thingy was not there. The vitamin C plus range was not there, so I got the Rooibos Plus. Yeah, also I used the Rooibos Plus facial mask as well. So I was just like, you know what, it's fine, let me not get angry, but I felt like crying, honestly. And then I also got my Garnier Skin Active Even and Matte Vitamin C Booster Serum, this one, because I just told you guys I'm a vitamin C girly. I believe vitamin C where I'm 7Z, so period. This is $2.50, guys, and it's such a small bottle, but it's fine. And then I also got this body spray, the Natural Collection body spray, this one, simply because I want to smell good, okay? And also they're also Heavenly ones. I don't really like them like that. I like this brand better. So yeah, that's all I got. And then I also got myself something to eat because I'm not about to cook right now, okay? So I was just like, you know what, let me spoil myself and get myself something. So I got 2 burgers, I got wings and chips. So yeah, that's my life right now. I'll talk to you guys on Saturday because I need to go grocery shopping. Also, I'm talking fast because the space I need to pay for space. Apple is forcing me to pay for space because if only I'm I hope that you can see me. And guys, I'm using my back camera. I always try to use my back camera now. Anyways, today it is Saturday and we are going grocery shopping. I'm going to the Pavilion mall because I received a gift card, so we're gonna go use that gift card app, okay? Yeah, so let's go. But now in Asula right now, like, I'm so mad because I am trying to call the Pavilion, like the mall, like office management. Yes, a mall, mall management rather, and no one is picking up, and their website is shit. Like, why would you create the most basic website when you are such a big mall? I'm so mad because also I did IT, so yeah, I'm frustrated. A website a bit die because like a website is supposed to be user friendly, and that is trash, has to go, okay? I know no one is watching this from the Pavilion, but like, guys, do better, invest in proper websites, please. And also answer the goddamn phone if you're working at the mall management, please. Well, anyways, the time right now is 10:30. I had planned to go a bit early, but you will be late, man. So yeah, also I look fucking good, okay? Like, please, fine, guys, let me just, you know what, boys don't know what they want. Like, why would you fumble me? Why would you fumble me? I'm such a catch. Like, anyways, y'all, this is me. I'm gonna try and show you my outfit, and I'm gonna be wearing my glasses since it's hot. So this is my look. Yeah, also I can't find my watch because it would look better if I'm wearing my watch, but I can't find it anywhere. So yeah, but anyways, this is how I look. And guys, you know what I discovered lately or recently? I'm definitely a short hair girly. Like, I'm a short hair girly through and through, because tell me why every chance I get to cut my hair down, I do so. Like, I want to do like short hairstyles, like, you know. Anyways, let's go. I also wanted to do like a movie night yesterday, but electricity said where, how, and why. So I ended up not doing that, and I actually wanted to take pictures for my Instagram, or just content wise, and to show you guys, but that didn't happen. But I still have the stuff here, like the food, the popcorn, snacks. So I'm gonna try and do that when I come back, just like mini photo shoot movie night thing, and have an actual movie night, right? Anyways, bye for now. I'll catch you guys at the mall if I can vlog. I'll try my best to do so though. Love you, bye. Oh, guys, it's gorgeous. Okay, it's not really gorgeous, but like it looks super big. It's big. This will do a lot definitely. Hi guys, so I got home literally like a few hours ago, like an hour ago. So I've been trying to shoot content ever since I got home, but unfortunately I don't have space on my phone. Like I don't have space on my phone, so I'm just really gonna talk fast because it's space I'm now. So anyways, I just want to show you guys what I got from Take A Lot. I've already opened the boxes. So in this big box, I got glasses. I got these two glasses. Honestly, I thought they were gonna be bigger, but it's okay, I'm not mad at them. So I got these two glasses because I'm just trying to I am just trying to get myself to drink more water. And I think these are cute for also like iced coffee, because I'm an iced coffee kind of girl. And then in the small box there was these pills. Oh snap. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see them because of the light, but these pills, I got these pills because some girl from TikTok said they worked for her, and I saw the difference in her body, and I was just like, you know what, let me try them because I'm trying to lose weight, because with December is gonna go bikini period. Okay, so this is that. So that's all that I got from Take A Lot. Oh my gosh. So I'm quickly gonna love and leave you guys for now. And yeah, I think I showed you guys what I got for groceries. I'm really discouraged to take any content right now, so I'm just gonna chill and try and edit and delete pictures so that I can, you know, make more content basically. But for now, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much. See you on my next upload, period.